Breaking news coming in. The Goa government is likely to impose night curfew in the state on the lines of how the Delhi government has imposed to prevent the spread of coronavirus. That is what the state minister has said. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane did not specify when its implementation is likely to start. He has said that he is going to be discussing the issue with Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. He says, and I quote, "I've spoken to the Chief Minister on imposing night curfew in the state on the lines of the state of Delhi," unquote. Pankaj Khelkar now joins us for the very latest. Pankaj, this was the biggest concern when it came to Goa. Over 45 lakh tourists have gone to Goa to celebrate the New Year Eve. The concerns amidst COVID pandemic loom large. The new strain of the UK virus is another matter of concern. And whether it was the airports or the beaches, the shacks, restaurant, there was no social distancing that was being followed by all these tourists out there. Now, what we're picking up is Goa is likely to impose the much needed night curfew. And you couldn't tell us more. Is this going to be for the 31st night? Because that's what will make sense if they do it for the evening curfew, like the other states.
Jyoti, the first question that comes to mind is whether this will be practically possible. Because till yesterday afternoon, the other ministers, the local MLAs, they were giving statements that the unlocking has happened, the economy has started reviving, and it was much needed. So people of Goa, the cases in Goa are very low, and that is the reason they are welcoming such a move. And now today, the health minister is giving such a statement that night curfew will be imposed. So what we are seeing over here, there is floating population. The tourists are there in large numbers in all of the beaches, mostly the Baga beach, wherein we saw more than around 5,000 odd people in a short span, a short place over there, and they were jam-packed. There was no social distancing and no norms were followed. So it is a move that should be implemented, but whether it will be possible or not on this today's day, on the New Year Eve, is a question.
No, but there needs to be some level of clarity coming in from the Goa administration, Pankaj, at this point of time in terms of the do's and don'ts for the 31st evening in Goa, with so many tourists flocking to Goa this evening. And we've seen this in 2020 when the pandemic just began. It takes these kind of parties, it takes these kind of social gatherings where large number of people gather, where there is not much COVID advisory that is followed for the infection to spread.
Jyoti, what you are saying is absolutely correct, that all of these things might lead to a huge devastation, huge spread of COVID pandemic, and that is what is being alerted by most of the Western countries like UK, where the new strain has come forward and which has resulted in spread of this coronavirus cases. Same thing might happen in Goa. Those people who are coming over here from all corners of our country, and there their cases are having a large number. Although in Goa, the state of Goa, there are around, as of date, only 112 or 200 cases. Although there were 50,000 cases throughout the year, but all of them have been cured. Only 42 are there in the hospital. So on one side, there are very less cases, but the danger is that all these people who are coming from all of the corners of our country might come with some symptoms, and that might lead to devastation.
All right, we'll wait for the clarity to come in from the state government. For now, the news that is coming in that there is a likely night curfew in the state on the lines of Delhi and other parts of the country as well, given how the beaches, clubs, airport and everything in Goa remains to be crowded. But that clarity is still awaited. The news coming in is that there will likely be a curfew. So we will update you once a formal decision comes in.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.